Hey viewer, hope you are doing good. So as you can see, there are multiple fonts and I want to install all at once in my PC, so I am going to show you how to install multiple fonts at once in just one click. Firstly, open folder where our font are stored, and side by side open Windows font folder by just type fonts in run command. Simply just click Windows button and R button at once to open run command. Now you have both screens side by side. Now select all fonts and drag into Windows font folder. It will ask for a place if you have same font pre-installed in your PC. Mine shows because I have already installed these fonts. Hope you find it helpful. Thank you for watching and like, share and subscribe. Comment for any suggestions.